Hello students, very good afternoon. Hope you all are doing well. Have you completed the first lesson of our computer? Yes, I have taken the whole unit very thoroughly. Now this is the time to learn. This is your part to learn that first unit, okay? I have discussed all the answers in the last week. Um, then I gave all the answers in the PDF format and I have sent that format through the WhatsApp group. So just try to download it if you didn't write it in the booklet still. Okay. And today we move to the next lesson. Okay. Lesson 2, Creating Charts in Excel 2016. The same Excel part, but we are going to learn that how to create charts in Excel 2016. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn about first types of charts. Many types are there. Okay. Many charts are there. So we are going to learn types of charts, then components of a chart, then how to create a chart, okay, types of charts, components of a chart, and then how to create a chart, finally spark lines. Okay, let me let us see one by one. Before that, I want to explain what is chart. Do you know what is chart? Yes, sometimes your science or social teachers are taking a chart. When they take some lessons, they are bringing the chart work with them. For what? Yes, they are giving the pictorial representation of the theoretical one. Okay, they are taking the lesson, and for the theoretical, they are giving some tips through the chart. So you can understand it very easily. Why? They are giving the pictorial representation or graphical representation of something. So the chart is used to represent the data. Okay, yes, a chart is a pictorial representation of data. Charts make it easier for us to understand large quantities of data. It's easy to understand large quantities of data. They help us see the relationship between different parts of the data. Totally 3 points. Pictorial representation of data. Second, easy to understand large quantities of data. Third one, relationship between different types of the data. Okay. Then types of charts. Can you see these types of charts? Yes, a line chart, column chart, bar chart, a scatter chart, pie chart, a Daphne chart, area chart, a radar chart, a tree map chart, sunburst chart, waterfall chart. Many chart types are there. Okay, we can see one by one, very detailedly. We can see it one by one. Okay. Already I have told you that if you are not having any laptop or computers, please don't get any worry. Okay, you can use this same app in your mobile also. So just download this Excel 2016 and just see all the options through your mobile. Okay, and I have told you that we have many types of charts. So this is the pictorial representation of each chart. Okay, first you can see that pie chart. Can you see? Yes, this one is pie chart, this one is bar chart, this one is column chart, this one is line chart, this one is area chart, this one is Daphne chart. Many chart designs are here. Okay, In this lesson we are going to learn that how to create these charts by using the data. And after creating a chart, you can see these elements. When you have the data, you can create a chart by using that particular data. After creating the chart, you can see the components of a chart like this. Okay. Here, how do you like this product? This box indicates the title of the diagram, title of the chart. Okay. So whatever want you can give as a title. So here you have to edit the title of the chart. What is that? Chart title. What is that? Chart title. Listen it very carefully, because after creating each and every charts we have to edit like this. So if you don't know these things, how can we edit? So just listen it carefully and one by one you can learn. Okay. First please listen. This is chart title. Okay, chart title. It is usually placed at the top of the chart and helps the user understand what the chart represents. What is that? What the chart represents. Okay, that includes this chart title. And second one is data label. Data label. What is this one? Yes. A label that provides additional information about a data point on a chart. Okay, additional information. Actually, we are having this column chart. In this column chart, there is the additional information, means it's excellent. The value of excellent is 400. This is an additional information. So this includes additional information. So data label means that provides additional information about a data point on a chart. Okay, that is called data label. And here, what is this? X-axis? Yes, x-axis represents this. Okay, this set of data represents x-axis. What is this one? It is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also known as category axis. Okay, this part that is called x-axis. What is this x-axis? It is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also known as the category axis. Then what about this y-axis? Yes, of course it is vertical axis of a chart. X-axis represents the horizontal axis of the chart, as well as this y-axis represents the vertical axis of the chart. It is also known as value axis. Y-axis is also known as value axis. Can you see this? Yes, the values of the different data. Here we are giving the category. Okay, category of the data. In which area? That here we can note that category. Okay, here in the y-axis we are giving the value. So that is called value axis. The value of each data point is plotted on this axis. By using this value axis, we can mark the or plot the data point in the axis. Okay. Okay. Chart title, data label, y-axis and x-axis. Then next one. Chart area. What is this one? Chart area. Yes, this total box belongs to chart area. Okay, it refers to the area within which all chart components are placed. which means all chart components are placed. Okay, chart area includes the chart components of the chart. Okay, what are the things included in the box? That is called chart area. The next one, what is this one? Plot area. Yes, where we are plotting the graph. It is a rectangular area. Can you see this? Yes, it is a rectangular area bounded by the two axes. What are the two axes? Y axis as well as x axis. Yes, and the x-axis and the y-axis define the two sides of the rectangular plot area. Okay, plot area means where we are plotting the graph. That is called plot area. Here the rectangular area bounded by the two axes. What are the two axes? X-axis and y-axis. Okay. Then what is this one? Grid lines. Grid lines means, yes, these lines are called grid lines. Lines that run across the plot area from each category on the x-axis and from each value on the y-axis. Okay, yes, across the plot area from each category on the x-axis and from each value of on the y-axis are called grid lines. You can choose whether to display them or not. If you don't want to see these lines, then you can skip that, and then we have the option to skip that rectangular lines. Okay, they make it easy to identify the value of each data point on the chart. That's why we are using. So if you don't want, you can skip these grid lines. Then next I want to explain, that is legend. What is legend? Do you know legend? Yes, it identifies data series. A unique color or pattern is assigned to each data series to make it easier to distinguish them visually. What is this? This bar, it contains one color, you know? Yes, that is called a legend. Okay, if suppose if you want to change this legend pattern, then no problem. You can assign any color or any design pattern. Many options are there to change the color and pattern of the legend. Okay, so you can use. So chart title, that we have to give the chart title as per our wish, but we have to know that title itself, we have to know the meaning of the total chart. Okay, so helps the user to understand what the chart represents. Then data labels means additional information about the rectangular boxes. Okay, yes. X-axis, category axis, y-axis, value axis. Based on this value, we are plotting the x-axis, which means category. Category means just horizontal axis of the chart. It represents the category of the data. Then grid lines, plot area, chart area. Of course, we learned legend also. Okay, data series means these boxes. Here I gave the data, here I gave the nodes of that particular components. Okay, just once again listen it carefully. Different components. Chart area. What I have said, yes, chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Whatever the components we have, the total area of that components are covered as the chart area. Then category axis, what is that? X-axis. Okay, category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. Okay, Then value axis means, of course, it's y axis. Okay, value axis, that is called vertical axis, used to plot the values. It is located at the left side. Okay, so don't get confusion. Category axis x axis, value axis y axis. Then data series, that is, data series are the bars. Okay, bars or slices or other elements that show that data values. Okay, if there are multiple data series in the chart, each will have a different color or style. Actually, here we have only one data series. If suppose we are taking that 5 subjects marks means, then we can get 5 slices in the same point. Okay, so when we want to differentiate with the different pattern or different color, we can use that option also in the data series. Okay, that's why they are mentioning if there are multiple data series in the chart, each will have a different color or style. Okay, then category name. Category names are the labels. So when you want to give the name in the x-axis and y-axis, you can give that. That's also you can give by using that edit option. Okay, which are displayed on the x and y axis. If you want to change the name, then you can change. Okay, then plot area, already I have said what is that, where we are plotting that graph. Okay, plot area is window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted area. Plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data. Okay, data series, category and value axis. See here, plot area. Okay, this one. Then legend. It depicts the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to the data series. It helps to differentiate the data. Already I have said if we have the 5 subjects marks, then we will get the 5 bars in the same point. So when you get the 5 bars, how we have to identify the bars? Yes, only by giving different colors, okay, or different patterns. That is called legend. The legend has many patterns or symbols or colors. Okay, so just when you get the practical, try to give different patterns or symbols. Then chart title, already you know, it describes the aim and contents of the chart. So by the title itself, we have to know that what the chart represents. So according to that, just give the title of the chart. Grid lines, yes, of course, I have explained that's horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. If you don't want, you can skip the grid lines also. Okay, are you clear? Yes. So today I'm just starting the chart types by starting the line chart. What is line chart? A line chart is used to represent data over a continuous time span. Okay, that is continuous. It's generally used to show trend of a measure over time. Data values are plotted as points that are connect. In simple words, line chart is used to represent data in a continuous. That is compares trends in data at equal intervals. Okay, line charts are useful for depicting the change in a value over a period of time. They are a good choice when you have many points to plot or when data trends are important. Okay, mainly the line charts are used to show production or sales trends over a period of time. Okay, connects a series of data points with the continuous line. This is the most basic type of chart used in finance, and it typically only depicts the securities closing prices over time. So I can show that here. This diagram represents the line chart. Can you see this? Yes. Now I'm gonna explain that how to create this line chart. Okay. If I get the time today, I will explain by using that Excel sheet. Otherwise, I will help you to create the chart in the next class. Just listen the procedure. Okay. Once you collect the data you want to chart, the first step is to enter it into Excel. Okay, first we have to collect the data. Just collect your own data. Okay, just collect your own data and type it in the Excel sheet. Here I had an example. um, See that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday muffins are sold. So I just collected a single data, and you can write your own data in the Excel sheet. But anyway, just type the data in the Excel sheet. Then second point, highlight both columns of data and click charts. You can see the charts in the ribbon. Okay, in the top of that Excel sheet you can see these charts. There you have to select the line chart, because now we need to get the output by using this line. So if you want to get the output of column, where we have to select here. Okay, if you want to get the output of pie, where we have to select this place. Okay, many charts are there, different types of types are there. Whatever you want, you can just select that. Now we are going to select this line chart and make your selection. We chose line for this example since we are only working with one data set, only line chart. Okay, then next, after clicking that line chart, where in this section, okay, when you click this line chart you can see this options, means 2D line, okay, 3D line, likewise many patterns are there. So what you want, you can select that particular type. Okay, then after clicking this one, Excel creates the line graph and displays it in your worksheet. Where you are creating in the Excel sheet, you can get the output of this line. Okay, first what we have to do, type the data in the Excel sheet, then select this data. Okay, while doing the practical I will help you to do all these things. Just select the data and go to the ribbon, select the chart list, and from that select the appropriate one. Whatever you want you can select, and then what we have to do, from that we have to select a option. Okay, because many types are there. From that also we have to select one, then you will get the output in the same Excel sheet with x-axis and y-axis. Can you see this category? Yes, here value axis, y-axis that contains value axis, and this one is title. Okay, chart title. Okay, then this one is legend. Okay, then this whole box, what is this? Chart area, and these lines are grid lines. Are you clear now? Yes. So first just learn what are the chart components are there. You are having the book now, just learn all the chart components thoroughly, and just to get a practice of this line chart today. Okay, then one by one I will help you to learn that how to create the charts. Okay, many charts types are there, and also many editing options are there. Okay, we will learn one by one very quickly. Just get connected with this online class, and this unit will be very interesting because we are going to create many types of charts. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching this class, and just to revise all these portions which I have taken today. Okay, thank you all.